The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is serious areas of strength for truly, in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 58 cents, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo all things considered, is floating at $3,335,371, which most certainly is very critical. Nexo down around 2.52% inside the buy and large most recent 24 hours, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. 21 August 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things facts. What most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Nexo, truly is Nexo a very wise speculation, or so they all things considered thought. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is very critical. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, by and large, let us generally discuss the really current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,047,585,515,720, which generally is very huge. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $28,364,522,647, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which really is very huge, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.53%, coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations amazingly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 58 cents. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 4.6 and at present, exchanging at 51 cents, in a for the most part enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647, which really is genuinely critical. These occasions truly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a by and large descending, heading for a especially present moment, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 58 cents in a genuinely huge manner. As of now, a sort of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really is very huge. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers sort of become genuinely more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors truly become truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 58 cents in a truly significant manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The by and large current Nexo cost generally is 58 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,335,371 and the kind of beyond 24 hours, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the all things considered Whole digital money market to $1,047,585,515,720 in an unpretentious manner. Presently, Nexo truly is somewhere near 2.52% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $324,059,943 United States dollars. Further appearance how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar sort of is actually areas of strength for quite an inconspicuous way. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for 21 August 2023, insight in everyday time span and a real sense made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely huge. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving essentially normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo. Really, in spite of mainstream thinking in a real sense, the Nexo especially has truly break all its basically upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, which truly shows that right now, an essentially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very large manner. Presently, especially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Nexo cost beneath the essential help level of 82 cents. Showing how as of now, a kind of broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is very huge. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and especially is attempting to especially break out of the impartiality zone, exhibiting how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more most certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, while Nexo's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach in a significant manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above of the sign line after a genuinely certain hybrid, which truly shows that as of now, explicitly bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Nexo cost beneath the essential help level of 82 cents, showing how right now, and in every practical sense, general certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at 28,364,522,640.